The current industry standards is to test a pasteurizer or a heat exchanger once a year. In some cases, they can be tested up to 4 times a year, depending on the requirements for that pasteurizer. We believe that this is not sufficient because when a test is completed, you don't know when you're going to have a cracked plate in between the first test and the second test. If a cracked plate is not detected during the testing period, it can be detrimental to the quality of the product and may lead to a product recall. These product recalls can be very, very expensive. The HEIST is a heat exchanger integrity self-testing system. The benefit of the HEIST system is that when you commence production on a daily basis, you're guaranteed the integrity of your pasteurizer. Before you can go into production on a daily basis, you can check each section of the pasteurizer for a cracked plate. This test takes approximately 15 minutes. It's very, very quick and very, very accurate. And it can be installed as part of the automatic pasteurizing process. There is also an automatic holding time test on the pasteurizer.
We're a dairy company specialising in A2 protein. So we have a unique milk source, which is milk that we've taken from grass-fed cows that are all genotyped for the A2 gene. The process really starts here in Moore Park. We have our own plant over here developed by Unison. What the Unison system gave us was our own little self-contained factory within a factory that we could ensure that there was no cross-contamination with other products, that it was just our A2 milk going through our own plant, and that with the features that the Unison system offered us, we could be confident that our product was always going to be 100% sterile leaving the factory. Unison, it's a very user-friendly interface for us and is able to custom tailor the software to our specific process. So there are certain things that we wanted and Unison was able to do that for us. And I suppose that's the difference between buying an off-the-shelf piece of kit off a large manufacturer versus going with someone like Unison who really can tailor to the customer's needs. As part of the startup routine, we just literally press a few buttons and the HEIST system runs itself. And within 15 minutes, we know that everything is ready to go. And you also have peace of mind every day you go to run product. Product quality is everything. If you have a product quality issue, it could be the end of your brand. So we couldn't afford any issues. And that was why we went for the HEIST system. And that gave us that peace of mind that we wouldn't have those issues in the factory and that our product was always going to be 100% leaving Ireland.